Hi, welcome to the open box of the electric bicycle Merkava RF350. This video contains 4 steps to set up the bicycle the right way. The first step is opening the box and the packaging. To do this, you will need wire cutters and an X-Acto. It is very important to be careful when opening the package to avoid damaging the paint of the bike. For some parts of the bike, it's even possible to remove the packaging with your hands. Once the packaging is removed, the next step is the installation of the handlebars and the front wheel. To do this, you will need a 4mm Allen key. Remove the 4 screws, then screw them back in once the handlebars are installed. Once the handlebars are installed, let's move on to the front wheel. To do this, we will have to start with the rod. Note that the lever of the rod is on the right side of the bike and that the disc and the threaded end will be on the left side. Do not screw the end cap in all the way, but just enough that it holds in place. That way, it'll be easier to install the forks at the right place. Once the rod is fixed, to install the wheel, place your foot on the piece of plastic between the forks, then pull on the middle of the handlebars to remove this piece. Once the wheel is installed, adjust the rod so that the lever can close at medium pressure. Step 3. Installation of the pedals and mudguards. Start by carefully removing the pedals from the packaging. Take a look at the different indications on the pedals. At the tip of the left pedal, it is possible to observe small horizontal lines. Before installing the pedals, make 2 to 3 turns to make sure that the chain is correctly hooked to the sprockets. To install the left pedal, use a 5/8 inch wrench. To screw on the bit, turn the key counterclockwise. You can also turn the pedal clockwise while keeping the key stable. When finished, close the pedals and do the same on the right side in the opposite direction. For the installation of the mudguards, start by adjusting the seat at the right height and the rod to the right pressure. For the optional mudguards, here's the installation. The rear fender is made with 2 adjustable arms. Remove the 2 small pieces of plastic to be able to install the fender to the seat. Use a flat or a star screwdriver to tighten the adjustable arms. Then, you will need a 5mm Allen key for the front fender. Start by unscrewing the screw, keep the light in the right place, place the mudguard Then screw the screw back through the assembly. Step 4. Battery installation and charging. For the installation of the battery, the bicycle must first be folded. Start by placing the pedals parallel to the bike, then remove the stand. Remove the safety lever and the main lever. Grab the bike by the middle of the handles and the seat, then apply a light pressure with your knee in the middle of the bike. Once the bike is folded in half, place it on the central stand. In order to insert the battery, turn the ignition and make sure that the anti-theft pin has entered the battery before inserting it into the bike. Insert the key and turn counterclockwise to close the ignition. To power the battery, connect the charger to the bike and then to a 120 volts outlet. Finally, take a look around the bike to make sure everything is in good place. Recharge the battery from 1 to 1.5 hours and then you're ready to go for a bike ride.